Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create QR codes, different sort of QR codes from the QR code page in Divsly. This is the QR code page that you are viewing right now. We have two options, like either you can create it from here or from the plus button on the top right corner. So I'll be clicking on this for now. So you can see whenever I hover on each of these QR types, the right side preview changes based on the requirement. So let me show you how to create a website URL first. I'm giving a name it as Flipkart, and the basic information I have to give it as flipkart.com. You can see the preview on the right side and the save QR has been enabled. Let me show you guys. I have taken off and the save QR has been disabled because this is a mandatory field. So all the mandatory fields once got filled, the save QR code enables. Let me save this for now, and my QR code has been generated with the name of Flipkart. If you click on this, I'll be taken to the destination URL. See? Yeah, you're taken to the flipkart.com. And yeah, let me create another for you. This is SMS. So SMS is basically to send an SMS to any user. Let me show you how it works. SMS message is my name of the QR code, and I'll give the information here, basic information where you can add your body details to send any message. Let me add my mobile number, and this is a test message. As you observed, when I enter the last mandatory field, the save QR code has been enabled, and you can see everything has been updated on my preview. And I'm saving it. Yeah. So this is how my SMS has been saved. So once you save this QR code, it will ask you to prompt send SMS to a particular number which I have entered. But this all happens on a mobile when you scan it. If you click the link, it will ask you to provide open messages. So our system doesn't have the option to open the messages, so I'm canceling it for now. And I'm going for the next one, WhatsApp. Send WhatsApp is my name of the page, and I'm gonna give the basic details like mobile number. I'm gonna give my mobile number, and this is a message to be sent on WhatsApp for QR code testing. You can see the message has been typed on the right side, and the time is the system time, and I have the mobile number updated on the right side, and the save QR has enabled when the last has been updated. So again, the same happens. This is send with WhatsApp, and when you click on this link, it will ask you to prompt open WhatsApp. It will take you to the WhatsApp directly, and then you have option to see the stats and all, where you can scan it on your mobile. It will directly open your WhatsApp and uh, start like send keep the message ready to the number which you have entered. Now let me create the next one for you. Email again. Send email QR is my name of the QR code. I'll give the basic information like email. I'm gonna give the mail of uh, and this is the recipient's email, and the subject testing email QR. And I'm gonna give message of the body is let's send the QR code email. And my thing is updated and the last details are updated on the preview. This is the recipient's email, this is the subject, and this is the body. Let me make it better for the body. Hello sir, good day, hope you're doing good. And let's say this is the body. Thanks. I'm gonna save this QR code. My QR code works absolutely fine. So send email QR is my thing, name of the QR. So when I click on this link, it will prompt me to ask for our email service. And I'm gonna create the next one. I'm gonna create a Wi-Fi for you. So this is basically when you want to give access to your Wi-Fi, you can place a QR code in your store so that everybody comes and scans and get connected to your Wi-Fi. Let me do that here. So my home Wi-Fi, and I can give some details like change the background color and change the CTA color, and I can also change the text color of it. You can see the changes on the right side. You can also enable a gradient for this. Let me choose a different color here. So you can see the gradient changes on the right side. And I'm gonna give the basic details. And the type of encryption is WPA2. And I'm gonna save the QR code. My QR code has been saved successfully. Let me open it. So this is my home QR. So when I try to access it, it got connected.